Mastering similes. Unlock the magic of comparisons. Ever heard someone say, her smile is like sunshine? That's a simile sparkling in action. A simile compares two different things using like or as. It's like a playful shortcut to create vivid pictures in your imagination. Think of it this way. When you say, he runs as fast as a cheetah, you instantly feel speed and energy. Similes are everywhere, in songs, movies, and even casual chats. They make your words pop and paint bright pictures. Want a fun example? Her voice is like honey. Sweet and smooth, right? That's the charm of similes. Here's a tip. When you create your own similes, think about what you want to highlight: speed, brightness, softness, and find a fun comparison. Try saying, the night was as dark as a black cat's fur. You just painted a mysterious and cozy scene. Similes also help you understand new things by connecting them to stuff you already know. It's like a mental shortcut. Ready to level up? Start spotting similes around you, in books, movies, or everyday talk. Catch them like a word detective. And remember, the more you practice creating similes, the sharper your imagination and writing will become. So next time you want to describe something cool, don't just say it, compare it. Like a pro storyteller does. Got a favorite simile? Drop it in the comments and share your word magic. Let's make language fun together.